Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Quiz Panda and sign in right away. Start by creating or verifying your account. Once done, choose the subjects you care about and set a default difficulty so the app tailors questions. Make sure to grant notifications and microphone access if you plan to use voice quizzes. You should also set study reminders and connect any school/class codes now. This avoids interruptions later and ensures progress syncs across devices. You begin building your quiz by selecting question types. Pick multiple choice, short answer, or true/false depending on goals. Once chosen, import a CSV or accept AI-suggested questions to save time, then edit wording so everything matches your curriculum. Next, set time limits, scoring rules, and toggle shuffle for questions and answers to reduce cheating. Finally, attach images or hints where helpful and preview the quiz. This walkthrough ensures the quiz behaves exactly. You launch the quiz live or assign it for homework, set a due date and passing percentage, and monitor participants in real time. After completion, review analytics to see question difficulty, average score, and time per question so you know where students struggled. Use filters to export results and quickly reassign only the weakest questions for targeted practice. If something goes wrong, first clear cache and resync. If issues persist, reassign the quiz rather than recreate it, which saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.